Elobel, why do you have a 2 eyes? And why you have a 2 ears? And why you have a 2 hands and 2 feet? Why your 2 hands has 10 fingers on your hand and there is a 10 fingers on your feet? And why there is only one brain? Why not 2 brain like ears and hand? Because the ears are 2, the eyes are 2, the hands are 2, the feet are 2. Why is it the brain is only 1? And why is it 1 mouth? And why is it 1 heart? Is it interesting? Interesting to know? Do you want to know? Okay. When you born a newly born baby, God whisper in your ears, in another ear. He said, I am gonna give your name Elobel, because you are a wings, you wear the human body. So I'm gonna put a name on your ears. Your name is Elobel. Who give your name? God, because when Adam and Eve, they don't have a mommy and daddy parents to give their name. So God is the one giving the name of Adam and Eve, right? So it's the same. You, when you're born, God give your name. He whisper into your ears, I am going to give your name Elobel, right? And then on the other ears, he whisper again, God, do you know what he whisper again?
What?
Do you want to know? God said, I'm gonna give you a golden voice. Your voice, your own, your very own. Nobody can copy your voice. Can you copy the voice of Michael Jackson?
No.
Can you copy the voice of Whitney Houston?
No.
Okay. Can you copy the voice of Grandma Rosie?
No.
Can they copy your voice, Elobel? Because God is the one who give your voice. He said, I'm gonna give your voice. No one can copy it. That right? So that's why we have 2 ears. Now you understand. You are a newly born baby. God whispered to your ears, your name is Elobel, and you know that you are Elobel because God gave it. And the other ears, He give you a voice. Some people, they can sing, right? Okay. Now, do you want to know why you have 2 eyes? When you born, God is the one opening the eyes. He opened one of your eyes. If God did not open your eyes, you will be born blind. Do you want to be born blind?
No.
And who opened your one eyes when you're born?
God.
And God said, Elobel, baby, you are newly born. I open your eyes. I want to know. I want to see your reaction. Do you see me? God said. What did the baby see when they open their eyes, when they're newly born? What do you think? Remember, God opened the eyes. What do you see, baby? Do you see me? I am your God. I create you. Did you see God when they open their eyes, the baby? What do they see?
God.
No. Well, I know God, but how do they look like God? How do God look like when they open the eyes of the newly born baby? What do they see, the baby? You wanna know? Light. Remember, God is light. The baby did not see the breastfeeding of mommy. The baby did not see the doctor. The baby did not see nothing. Lord, I don't see you, nothing. What then you see? I see only light. That's me. I am the light. And God said, I am who I am. So the newly born baby, God opened the one eye to see God. I am the one, God, who creates you. Can you see me? Yes, Lord, you are the light. Now you know now, right? Right? And then what is the other one eye for? He closed the other eyes when you're going to die. Even they are your eyes, you cannot open it because you're dead, right? And you are not the one died, only the human body died. You're leaving the human body only. You are an angel. You are only inside that body, angel. Remember? So God opened the eyes to see the light and to see God. And the other eye opened, God closed it when you're going to die. So the other one, He opened it when you're born. Your time begin. And then the other eyes, you're gonna close it when you died. Your time ended. That's why you have 2 eyes. Does it make sense?
Opo.
Did you like it? Okay, what else do you want to know? The 10 fingers of your hand. Do you want to know?
Opo.
Tell me why why there is 10 fingers on your hand and why there is 10 fingers on your feet. Because, do you want to know? Because they are the symbol of 10 commandments. Do you know what is 10 commandments?
What?
Yeah, 10 commandments. Thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not commit adultery. All those are 10 commandments. They are in your fingers 10 hand. Because the hand is the one killing and stealing. But the hand could not walk. The hand connived to the feet, talk to the feet. Hey feet, walk me to the dark to kill. Hey feet, walk me to the grocery to steal. Because the hand is stealing, but the feet's the one walking, bringing you to the grocery. So God said, stop. Thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not kill. So the 10 fingers and 10 fingers in your hand and feet, they are the symbol of what?
10 Commandments.
Very good. Now you know why you have 10 fingers in your hand and your feet. That's it important, right? Okay. Now why you have 2 holes in your on your nose? That's funny, right? Huh?
To breathe.
No, to breathe. That's a science answer. I want an answer biblical. Do you want to know why you have 2 holes in your nose? When you are newly born, when you are an angel, you wear the human body. God is the one giving the life every born baby, right? And your life is not yours. You only borrow it. God give you a life. The Spirit of God is life. Enter to your nose, the other one nose, okay? Now, baby, you are born now. You have a life. I am the giver of life. I give you life. So you breathe. You inhale and exhale. You breathe because the Spirit of God put it inside your nose on the other hole, okay? And what is the other hole again on your nose? You're gonna exit there when you died. So the 2 holes is the entrance door of your spirit, and the other hole nose is the exit door. You will enter there when God give you life. When the life is ended, when you're dead, you're gonna exit there. That's why the nose is the breath of life. When you stop breathing, you're dead. So the spirit come out to the other hole of your nose. That's why we have 2 holes in your nose. Is it clear? Did you understand very well? Okay. Now, what the next question? Why we have 1 brain only and 1 mouth and 1 heart? Why only 1? Because the ears are 2, the eyes are 2, the hands are 2, feet are 2. Why is it the brain is only 1? Do you want to know? Is it interesting? Interesting? 1 brain because that's where you believe and faith in God. God said, believe in God, you have faith in God. That's why there's only 1 God to believe, 1 God to have faith in God. That's why only 1 brain. Make sense? There's no 2 God, there's only 1, right? So supposed to be 1 brain only, okay? Okay, now, why there is only 1 mouth?
Why?
Because when we talk to God, talking to God is a prayer. We need to pray. Before you eat, Jesus, thank you for the food, right? Before you sleep, you pray, Jesus, guide me and protect me. He protect you when you sleep. So when you talk to God, what do you use? Your mouth, right? That's why there's only 1 mouth to pray, 1 God to pray. That's why it's only 1 mouth, right? And what is the 1? The heart, right? How many heart do we have?
1.
Why 1? Do you want to know why 1?
Opo.
God said, first love God and then love one another. There's only 1 heart, 1 love, 1 God to love. There's only one God to love. They are not 10, they are not 12. Only how many God?
One.
That's why we have one heart. There's only one God to love first, right? Love one another as you love yourself. Now you know why one brain, one mouth, one heart, right? Right. So, all parts of your body, do you understand now why you have two hands, two eyes? You completely understand, right? It is entertaining, educational, and moral lesson, right? You like them? You share them to your Ate Elise, right? You share them in your school and to your teacher, and you will become honor student again, right? Okay, Elise, when you smile, I see you smile. Did you pay?
Huh?
Did you pay for smiling?
No.
1 second.